Hey there, fellow YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really special for you. We're going to dive deep into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, yet remains shrouded in secrecy and stigma: mental health. Get ready to break the silence and unmask the hidden world of mental health resources for beginners. Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, over 1 billion people globally suffer from mental health disorders? That's a staggering number. And it's about time we shed light on this often neglected aspect of our well-being. Now you might be wondering, why is it so important to talk about mental health? Well, here's the thing. Mental health is just as crucial as physical health. Yet for far too long, it's been pushed to the sidelines, tucked away in the shadows of society. But no more. It's time to open up the conversation, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. In this video, we're going to explore a wide range of mental health resources that are specifically designed for beginners. Whether you're personally struggling or simply want to be better equipped to support others, this video is for you. We'll uncover the top 5 apps that offer meditation and mindfulness exercises to calm those racing thoughts. Plus, I'll reveal 3 online communities where you can connect with like-minded individuals who are on a similar journey. But wait, there's more. I've got some mind-blowing statistics for you. Did you know that 75% of all mental health conditions start before the age of 24? That means early intervention and access to resources are crucial for young individuals. So, buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and get ready to embark on a journey of discovery. Together, we're going to shatter the silence, demolish the stigma, and equip ourselves with the knowledge and resources needed to conquer mental health challenges head-on. Remember, you're not alone in this. Let's get started on this incredible exploration of mental health resources for beginners, right now. Now that we're all set to dive into the world of mental health resources, let's delve deeper into the apps that can help you find peace and serenity amidst the chaos. First up on our list is Mindful Moments. This incredible app boasts a user-friendly interface and offers a variety of guided meditations tailored to your specific needs. With over 1 million downloads and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users are finding solace in this digital oasis. Next, we have Tranquil Thoughts, a virtual sanctuary where you can unwind and find your inner balance. This app goes beyond meditation, offering soothing sounds and sleep aids to help you achieve a restful night's sleep. It's no wonder it has garnered a massive following of over 500,000 users. But wait, there's more to explore. Let's shift our focus to online communities that can provide a sense of belonging and support on your mental health journey. First off, we have the Empowerment Circle, a vibrant community of individuals from all walks of life who come together to share their experiences and offer words of encouragement. With a staggering 10,000 active members, this community truly proves that strength lies in unity. Moving on, we have the Resilience Tribe, a tight-knit group that focuses on building resilience and bouncing back from adversity. With weekly live sessions, expert guest speakers, and interactive forums, this community provides a wealth of resources to help you navigate life's challenges. Now here's a mind-blowing statistic for you. Did you know that approximately 56% of adults with a mental illness do not receive the necessary treatment? That's over half the population struggling without access to the help they need. It's time to change that narrative and ensure that everyone has the support they deserve. So, whether you're seeking inner peace through meditation apps or craving a sense of community in online forums, these resources are here to help you take that crucial first step towards improved mental well-being. Remember, breaking the silence starts with you. By sharing your story, seeking support, and embracing these resources, you become an advocate for change and empowerment. Stay tuned for the second part of this video, where we'll uncover even more incredible mental health resources for beginners. Together, we can create a world where mental health is no longer a taboo subject, but a priority for everyone. Let's continue this journey of discovery and support. Join me in the next part of this video, where we'll uncover more life-changing resources and take another step towards breaking the silence surrounding mental health. Until then, stay strong and remember, you are never alone in this battle.